Springs, and today Stuart and I are going to be making one of my favorite Christmas recipes, and this is called reindeer baked.
This is how you attract reindeer. Make sure that Santa comes to your house.
There's only a couple things that it entails. First, you want a pretty big box of corn checks, and you just want plain corn checks, no flavor of any kind.
Those are checks that you can cash.
Yeah.
Right.
And then you want some marshmallows, so I just do the mini marshmallows, a bag of those. Preferably a bag of green and red M&Ms, and you can really only find these during Christmas time.
That's what reindeer like best.
Yeah. So yeah, if you can find the green and red, just so it kind of keeps it more Christmassy, obviously.
Okay.
And then you want some Planters peanuts. I got a couple packs of those. Some people like peanuts in it, some people don't.
Yeah, if you have a peanut allergy, you may not want to put it in there.
Yeah, we put peanuts in ours. And then some white chocolate. So, and as far as the amount of each, this is a recipe that you can kind of just, it's one of those you really can't have too much of one thing or not enough of one thing. So, okay, Stu, so I will let you open these up for us.
All right.
And what we're gonna do, you just need a bowl. Obviously, we're gonna mix it all together. Stuart will open those and just kind of pour a little bit more, maybe a little bit more. That's probably good. You want to cut those open?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's this is a fun recipe that you can also do with your kids. It's easy cleanup, not messy. So just kind of pour. Just pour.
What you want?
Maybe like half the bag. Let's see.
Oh, that's about all.
Okay. Is it? You want to start tearing off some of those marshmallows?
We did wash our hands first. Promise we did.
You can kind of do the same thing with marshmallows, just as much as you want in there. I'm gonna pull those apart.
Yep. And what I like about the marshmallow when we're eating this, it's the fluffiness.
Yeah, it adds kind of like a softness to it.
I like that part of it.
I like that too.
And anything covered in chocolate's pretty great.
Yeah. Yeah, and you could honestly do, you could do regular chocolate with this instead of white chocolate. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some peanuts in here.
Yep.
The peanuts also add some good crunchiness to it as well.
Yeah.
And while we're doing that, you can also go ahead and warm up your chocolate. So now we're gonna take a pan, and I just have a regular pan with some wax paper on this. And
Regular old cookie pan.
yep. And then you just kind of want to spread this out all over here. Stu, do you want to pour the chocolate?
Yeah. Pour some chocolate on this.
I'll try not to lick the spoon.
Not this time.
Okay. You know what? And it may be easier actually, Stu, to sometimes it pours too thick. It may be easier just to kind of take a fork and just kind of like drizzle it like this.
That just looks appealing too.
It does.
After the lights turn off, it doesn't mean the magic's stopping. Every day is Christmas. Doesn't matter the time or season. Yeah, you're the only reason my world is bright the whole year through.
Okay, I think that's
Alright.
pretty good. You want to add
Sprinkle
the
time?
sprinkles? Let's do it. Sprinkle it up. Oh my gosh.
Skip.
All over the kitchen. So yeah, this is pretty much it. You can kind of see and tell.
And this is going to bring all your reindeers to the yard.
It's very Christmassy looking. So we're going to put it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, you just kind of want to put your hand on it and it be cold, and see that it's all kind of hardening and sticking together. And
we'll show it to you when we're done.
Yeah.
Here we go.
So we just pulled this out of the freezer. We put it in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And so now what we're gonna do is kind of basically just break it up. And what I like to do during the holiday season is just put it in like cute little tubs. You can get these at Walmart, Target, Publix, wherever.
Dollar Tree.
Yeah, all over the place.
Yep.
And just kind of fill it up, and then I did put a little bit of parchment paper on here, put the lid on it, and you can give it to friends for the holidays. So
And if you guys are wondering, this is the only breaking up Holly and I plan to do. So we're gonna break this up.
oh my gosh.
couldn't ask for nothing more.
This is the perfect thing for you to snuggle up on the couch,
Watch a Christmas movie.
watch a Christmas movie, Santa Claus, you know,
Hallmark movie.
Hallmark movie.
Turn the fire on, turn the Christmas tree on, and enjoy some Reindeer bake. Let's see, it's so pretty and yummy. Put the lid on it. Make sure it's sealed really good.
Yep. We're gonna take this over to Mom and the house.
And give it away for Christmas.
That's
Hope
right.
you guys enjoy it.